Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting 3x3 or 4x6 sticky notes and a writing tool. Buy one pen and one fine marker. Once ready, sort colors into priority groups so you can scan at a glance. Peel one note slowly to avoid curling. This preserves the adhesive. Make sure to test a single note on the chosen surface. If it sticks, proceed. The why? Prepping reduces wasted repositioning and preserves stickiness, so your flow stays uninterrupted and visual cues remain consistent. You now arrange notes into a simple board, columns, timeline, or clustered themes. Start by placing headers, then add one task per note. Use short verbs and a due date when relevant. Once done, align edges for quick scanning and flip problematic notes to reveal hidden info. Make sure to leave 1/2 inch between rows so notes don't overlap when you add more. The why? Organized placement reduces cognitive load, helps track progress, and lets you reprioritize without rewriting everything. You finish by reviewing notes daily and updating status. Move tasks forward or rewrite unclear ones. Once a task is done, peel and archive it. This keeps the board neat and motivates progress. Make sure to replace any note that loses adhesion after 1 to 2 weeks. Transfer content to a fresh note. If notes fall, use a small removable tack or clean the surface with isopropyl first. The why? Routine maintenance preserves clarity, prevents loss, and keeps your system reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.